Right over there, there's a Siberian tiger. Isn't it amazing? Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm here with Siberian tiger. Oh no, we got to go catch that. There's a Siberian tiger right there. Amazing creature. It's just incredible. Let's get a little closer. Doesn't look too happy. We better back off. Now I'm here to see the Black Panther. It's right there. Never before has a Black Panther been seen this close. Let's get a little closer, Just a little bit closer. I am super close now. I'm a little scared. I just can't believe this. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, look. They're together. Never before has the Black Panther and the Siberian tiger been caught this close together, not even reacting. This is groundbreaking. Groundbreaking.